Hello everyone, this is Quantum. Today's video is about Smart Launcher Simple Anime Setup. Download and install the following apps and use the backup files in the description. After installing the apps, open the Smart Launcher and allow all of the permission access. Next, load the backup file. After you download the backup file, it will be shown here. Or you can manually load it from your files. Next, click the first blank widget. Choose Mini ISM Widget Pack and find the minimal 175. Resize and reposition the widget like this, or the way you like. And then save it. After that, click the second blank widget and import the widget that I created. Or you can make your own clock widget. The tutorial is at the end of this video. Always click Save every time you make changes in the widget. You can change the home screen app icons, and replace it with your favorite apps. Or change the home screen widget. How to make your own clock widget. First, add a KWGT widget on your home screen. Resize and click it. Tap on Create. Click the plus icon on the top right. Select Text. Click the text item. Resize it. Now, let's edit the text manually. Delete the minute formula. Reposition it to the left. Back to items again, click the plus icon on the top left and add one more text item. Click and edit the second text item that we've created. This time delete the hour formula. Increase the size same as the other one. and then decrease the color opacity to 50%. Last thing, let's add item again, but this time select the shape item. Edit the item. Click on shape and make it rectangle. Decrease the width to 5 and increase the height to 120. And then change the color to your preference. After that, don't forget to click Save. And that's it. You now have a custom minimal clock. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you on the next one. Keep stirring.